And for the final part of challenge activity 3.3, we're going to answer a question surrounding r squared. Okay, so again, it looks like they changed the data sets on us. Unemployment rate and household income. So when I look at my spreadsheet, all right, I have household income, and then here's the unemployment rate. So I don't need the single family data. Okay, so we need r squared. So again, there's a couple of ways we can do it, right? Remember, we could type in equals CORREL and then put in parentheses, and I forgot which was the explanatory variable. Household income is the explanatory variable, so the unemployment rate is the response variable. So we put in unemployment rate first, comma, household income, and close it. Now remember, this only gives us the r value, right? We need r squared, right? According to the problem, we want r squared. So to get the r value, we can just multiply this number by itself, right? So if I were to say equals this value times this value again, press enter, right? If I were to multiply negative 0.28728,168 times itself, this is what we would get. So I'm going to copy this, 0.825. Let's see here, 0.0825. And actually, I went one too many decimal places, right? If I go 3 decimal places, 0.083 should work. Let's just double check, 0.083. And now I also want to remind you, there's another way to get this r squared, right? So if you have the data analysis pack, right, I press data, I press data analysis, regression, enter, and then let's clear this out. All right, so my y values, I forget already. The y values were the unemployment rate. So here's the unemployment rate. Oops, got to make sure I'm in the right box right here for y. And my x values, that was the household income. And it's going to open up in a new worksheet. I press OK. And this provides the r value and the r squared. So again, 0.082, but if we round that, it would become a 3, right? So again, you can get the r squared by using the data analysis tool pack, or you can do it the old-fashioned way using this correlation function and then squaring your result. So this is our r, and then when we squared it, this is what we ended up with. So let's just check our work, and hopefully we get the correct answer. Oh, and then in terms of the interpretation of this means that, let's see, 8.3% of the variance in the unemployment rate is explained by the variance in the household income. Okay, where'd this 8.3 come from? Well, as a decimal, to change a decimal to a percent, you move the decimal 2 places to the right, and we get 8.3. Let's check our answer, and we get no red marks, and it says expected, well done, here we go. So I hope that helps finish section 3.3.3 of the challenge activities. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.